Hello everyone, I am Swas from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Information Science and Engineering branch. And today I am going to present the technical seminar based on the topic called as Human-Computer Interaction with AI Virtual Mouse under the guidance of Mrs. Santhya R, Assistant Professor in Department of Information Science. The contents are introduction, related background, working and implementation, applications and future enhancement, literature survey, conclusion and references. Introduction. In traditional computing mice and touchpads, we are widely used for human-computer interaction, but they can be inconvenient in the certain situations such as where hands occupied or surfaces are unavailable, or users have physical disabilities. And a hand-free gesture-based control system can provide an alternative interaction method enhancing accessibility and user experience. And the system leverages the computer vision and machine learning technologies to detect and impart the hand gesture captured through webcam by mapping specific hand movements to mouse functions such as clicking, scrolling, and drag and drop, multiple item selection, volume control, brightness control. Users can seamlessly interact with their devices in an intuitive and natural manner. The related background we have referred is Introduction to Human-Computer Interaction. Human-computer interaction focus on designing user-friendly interface between humans and computers. It incorporates the physiology and design and computational science to enhance the usability and efficiency. Human-computer interaction has evolved from traditional input methods like keyboards and mouse and to modernize the AI-driven interactions including gesture controls and visual input devices. AI in human-computer interaction. With advancement in artificial intelligence, human-computer interaction has significantly improved through machine learning, computer vision technologies, and AI enhances user interaction by making systems more responsible, adaptable to the user behaviors. And virtual mouse technologies in the related background is a virtual mouse is an AI-based alternative uh, to a traditional hardware mouse, enabling users to control the cursor through gestures or eye movements. And computer vision plays a crucial role in using cameras and deep learning models to detect and track hand gestures in real time. Additionally, machine learning algorithms helps recognize and predict user gestures, ensuring cursor movements, hand tracking and gesture recognition, identifying finger positions to execute actions like clicking, scrolling, and drag and drop. Another approaches like eye tracking technologies. It allows users to control cursor using eye movements and making it effective for the physically disabled persons and hand-free solutions. And key technologies behind AI virtual mouse is several advancement technologies enables the development of an AI powered virtual mouse and OpenCV and a computer vision library with a wide use of image processing and detect hand gestures and media pipe libraries and develop a Google providers real-time hand tracking with high accuracy by using the deep learning model CNN and are trained to recognize the hand positions and gesture improvements and programming frameworks like Python, TensorFlow and PyTorch are commonly used for improving the AI-driven interactions, allowing efficient user interaction through virtual mouse technologies and systems. Working and implementations are important roles in this, and the implementation of an AI virtual mouse involves using computer vision and machine learning techniques to track the hand gestures and translate them into mouse movements or mouse actions. And first is capturing the real-time video input. The first step involves in the webcam to capture the real-time video frames of OpenCV library is used to capture the real-time video frames are commonly used for accessing the frames. And OpenCV to access the webcam, CV2 and video capture in Python, this is the code, and convert frames to the grayscale of RGB for the better processing and improvements. Working working and implementation continued hand gesture detection tracking, and one of the video is captured. The system needs to detect and track the user hand through, and the hand movements and detections are tracked by the MediaPipe library. Hand tracking is a widely used framework that provides accurate hand landmark detections and use MediaPipe library and hand tracking to detect and track the hands in real time and extract the hand landmarks such as fingerprints and joints for gesture recognition. And these are the 21 hand landmarks we have implemented, and it starts from 0 to 20. There are total 21 landmarks, and for each points there is a single point of landmark. And cursor movement mapping. To move the cursor, the detected fingertips coordinates are mapped to the screen resolutions using normalization techniques. To get the index finger tips like X and Y coordinates and scale them to match the screen resolutions using the mapping function, and using Auto GUI to move the cursor, and this helps in the automation of the movement of the cursor in the system by using the hand gesture movements. Auto GUI is the automation tool where we can use for matching the screen resolution and mapping the functions. And in the figure you can see there is different hand movements and webcam and real-time input hand image processing and tracking the hand movement region and fingertip detection and image processing and recognizing and providing the meaningful hand gesture and controlling the mouse operations by user-friendly system. Working and implementation flowchart diagram, and initialize the systems and starts the video capturing of webcam and capturing frames using webcam, detects hand and tips using MediaPip and OpenCV libraries, and detect which finger is up, and then perform mouse operations according to the gestures, and these gestures can be done as per the user requirements by using different hand gestures. This can be designed by user convenient and recognizing the gestures and uh, process the different hand gesture movements and perform different mouse operations according to the gesture, and press stop to terminate the program. Applications and future enhancement. Assistive technologies can be used in the individuals with the disabilities who are having the physical disabilities and controlling the computer using the gestures through their eye movements. And in gaming and VR technologies enhances the immersive in gaming and AR and VR experience by allowing natural hand movements for control. Healthcare and rehabilitation, assistive in motor functions, recovery and tracking hand movements for physical therapy exercises. And touchless computing is used for maintaining and hygiene and reducing the physical contact in the physical devices like mouse, keyboard, etc. in the hospitality and public spaces for betterment of the hygiene, and smart home automations for controlling the smart devices and lights and security cameras, etc. And future enhancements are improving gesture recognition, enhances accuracy and responsiveness for smooth user interactions, and multi-user interactions allows multiple users to control the interface simultaneously and collaboration. And brain computing interactions is the advanced level of the interaction methodology and enabling cursor controlling by using brain signals, and advanced eye tracking movements improves precise cursor control using eye movements and gestures, context awareness and systems, adaptive in the lighting backgrounds and applications of context in betterment of user. And this is the literature survey we have referred, and in March 2024 I have referred virtual mouse technologies using hand gesture through novel approach, and in 2023 I have referred using OpenCV library, and in January 2023 I have referred a media pit and left hand and uh, right hand fingerprint fingers clicking and scrolling functions. And in March 2023, and we have referred a paper using vision-based cursor control framework where we control the mouse operations through eye movements. And then in July 2022, we have gone through human-computer interactions for the smooth user experience. An AI virtual mouse represents significant advancement in computer interactions. These are we came through conclusions and enabling intuitive and touchless technology, accessible computing by leveraging the computer vision and machine learning and gesture recognition. It enhances usable across various fields, including assistive technologies, gaming, healthcare, and smart home automations. And AI virtual mouse technologies lies in improving the accuracy and brain computing interfaces and enhancing eye tracking movements and enabling for the cursor movements through eye movements and effective in the user-friendly interactions. And these are the references we have gone through. And thank you for watching. Please like the video and share the video.